Get your motor running. All my friends at home, if you're looking for a brand new car, we've got you covered with some picks from Consumer Reports. Mike Quincy is the automotive specialist there. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
And this is one of my favorite cars. I used to drive one of these when I lived in North Carolina, but this is the brand new model. Tell us about it.
This is Consumer Reports' top pick for a luxury SUV. This is the Lexus RX. We love this SUV because it has a beautiful interior, very comfortable, very quiet, great Lexus reliability, and 29 miles per gallon overall for the hybrid model.
Which is pretty good,
That's the best in the segment.
Right, great for an SUV. Okay, next up we've got the Mazda Miata. This is a cute little car over here.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking 29 degrees in New York City. It's so cold. But here's the best part about this car. You hop in.
Okay.
And with one hand, you can slam dunk the top. So, look, oh my gosh, it's like sunshine outside. It's still cold out here.
It's still cold, but then you just blast the heat.
This is Consumer Reports' top pick for a sports car. 34 miles per gallon. Yeah, overall, and you're still having all this great fun, terrific handling. We love this car.
And it's safe, even though it's so tiny?
It's got airbags, stability control. It's got all kinds of great stuff.
And give us the cost. It's pretty affordable.
This starts about $25,000. You can. This is a really high-end model. So you got leather seats. You've got a nice touchscreen system. It's got an automatic transmission. The manual shifter is actually one of the best in the industry. And oh, look, heated seats.
Bun warmers,
That's
baby.
What we need.
Next up, finally, this F-150, which seems like the F-150 is always at the top of these lists, but the crew cab, this is massive.
The Ford F-150 is Consumer Reports' top pick for a pickup truck. This has got the best reliability of any domestic truck in Consumer Reports reliability surveys. This is the platinum version. This is like a high-end, almost a luxury car. Beautiful leather seats. With heating elements and cooling elements.
So the platinum version, does this drive like a truck, or does it have a smooth ride?
Well, it certainly drives like a truck, but among the trucks, the Ford F-150 in Consumer Reports test is quieter than the others. It has a very nice ride, good handling, a turbocharged V6 engine. Most people think trucks, they think V8s, but the V6 is actually very responsive and still delivering decent fuel economy.
Mike Quincy, thank you so much, and we're going to turn on the heat because it's so cold outside. We're dreaming of spring, but it's not here yet. Thanks a lot. All right.